What is your basis when you're planning to buy a new gaming headset stand? Is it the build, the shape, or the RGB? Here's how I choose mine. I told myself I wanted to have an RGB, even if it's made of plastic, it's enough. As long as it's sturdy, and of course, it should be unique and a cool looking one. The question is, how good is this or what more it can do? Not just a headset stand. Let's find out on this video. Welcome back everyone, it's me again Roland, and of course on my Roland Wii channel, and today I'm gonna show you the best gaming headset stand, which I will take you through some of its features, not just a headset stand. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will first see all of my new uploads. Now, let's go ahead to the video. This is the Vertux Zulu headset stand. This is basically a new brand, just released this year, and here's the box looks like. To be fair, it looks very premium and even looks like the Razer color accent. What I really do like about this headset stand, aside from its RGB, is its USB pass-through and its unique design. In addition, it has also a premium feel to it and very sturdy. It's really perfect for my SteelSeries Arctis 7X. What comes in the box is the two detachable legs, as well as the body itself with its built-in USB cable to connect to your Xbox or PlayStation or wherever you want to connect it, in order for the RGB and the USB pass-through to work. But here's a little trick first. Take out your USB dongle from your Arctis 7X and connect it on the USB port of this stand. But it would be better if you use one of these little adapter, a USB-C female to USB-A male. In that case, you will not have a hard time to hide the cable adapter that comes with your Arctis 7X. And at the same time, by using this little adapter, at least it will look minimal and you don't need any cable management by using that cable adapter that comes in the box of the Arctis 7X. And you can even charge your headset through its USB port. On the left side of the two USB ports, it has a power button and presets for the RGB and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So, what do you think guys? Do you have any other headset stand which is also cool like this one? Please share down below so we could help our fellow gamers on their purchase decisions. That's all about it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and got some information about it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will come back to you as soon as I can. Thank you all for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.